Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.